In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting a survey for market research, gauging customer satisfaction, or planning an event, Microsoft Word is a powerful tool that can help you design a clear and effective questionnaire quickly and efficiently. So, roll up your sleeves and let's dive into the process. Let's start with the basics, launching Microsoft Word. For most of us, this means navigating to the Windows Start menu. That little Windows icon in the corner of your screen is your gateway to all applications on your computer. Give that a click and you're off to the races. With the Start menu open, you'll find yourself facing a search bar. Here you need to type Word and press Enter. The system will rummage through its digital cabinet and bring up Microsoft Word for you. It's like magic, just a bit more practical. Once you've searched, you'll see the Microsoft Word application icon. It's hard to miss. Click on it and Microsoft Word will gracefully open, ready to transform your thoughts into written reality. Now with Microsoft Word open in front of you, it's time to choose your canvas. You'll be greeted with the option to select a blank document or pick from any recent documents you've worked on. If you're starting fresh, the blank document is your friend. Click on that and you've just laid the foundation for your questionnaire. Here's where the fun part begins. Head over to the Insert tab at the top of the Word document. Among the various options, you'll find Table. Don't be intimidated by tables, they're just grids waiting to organize your content beautifully. Click on Table, and you'll see options to create a custom table. Think about how you want your questionnaire to look like. How many questions will you have? Do you need columns for answers? This will help you decide the size of the table you'll need. Alright, now that you've visualized the layout of your questionnaire within a table, let's dig a little deeper. It's time to add some text. You might start with a title for your questionnaire or jump right into your first question. Microsoft Word makes it easy to insert all types of content, but right now focus on getting your questions down. After laying out your questions, you might find that some need additional explanations or you want to make them stand out more. This is where inserting a text box can come in handy. Go back to the Insert tab, look for the text box option and choose a style that fits your needs. Text boxes can be moved freely around your document, allowing you to place supplementary information or special notes exactly where you need them. Remember, crafting a questionnaire is more than just laying down questions. It's about engaging your audience, making the flow of questions logical, and ensuring that the layout is not just readable but also appealing. As you work on your questionnaire in Word, think about the overall design. Use headings for different sections if you have a variety of topics. Consider the font size and style for clarity and readability. And don't forget to leave space for respondents to provide their answers if this will be printed. One final but crucial piece of advice: save your work regularly. There's nothing more disheartening than losing all your progress due to an unexpected hiccup. Use the Save As feature to store your document in a safe place on your computer, and consider saving a backup copy to the cloud or an external drive for extra security. And there you have it. With these steps, you've transformed a blank canvas in Microsoft Word into a structured, clear, and effective questionnaire ready to gather the information you need. Whether it's feedback on a new product, insights for a research project, or simply gathering preferences for an upcoming event, your questionnaire is set to do its job. Remember, the power of a questionnaire is not just in the questions themselves, but in how they are presented. Use Microsoft Word's myriad of formatting and design features to make your questionnaire not just functional, but visually appealing and engaging. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With practice and exploration of Microsoft Word's features, you'll find there's no limit to what you can create. Happy surveying and see you in the next video.